They say legends never die. But what if the tales of King Arthur's Round Table were more than myths? What if behind every noble quest and shining sword lay betrayal, love, and tragedy darker than any bard dared to sing? In the golden halls of Camelot, where honor was law and loyalty was sacred, 12 knights once sat at a perfect circle, a symbol that no man was above another. But even the brightest legends cast long shadows. Lancelot du Lac, the greatest of all, was both hero and sinner. His valor in battle was unmatched, yet it was his forbidden love for Queen Guinevere that began the slow unraveling of Camelot's glory. Their secret affair, hidden behind whispers and longing glances, would ignite the greatest conflict of Arthur's reign, a love that burned too brightly to survive. Then came Galahad, Lancelot's son, born not of sin, but of destiny. He was pure of heart, untouched by greed, pride, or desire. And it was he who found what all others sought, the Holy Grail. But even he could not mend the wounds of men's hearts. Gawain, the noble warrior of honor, faced his own test when the mysterious Green Knight challenged his courage. He struck the blow, but learned that true bravery was not found in strength, but in facing one's own flaws. Percival, another seeker of the Grail, reached the sacred relic, yet failed to ask the question that would heal the wounded Fisher King. His silence became a symbol of humanity's greatest flaw, the failure to show compassion when it matters most. Bors, the steadfast knight, remained loyal through every betrayal. When Camelot crumbled and the fires of war consumed the land, he alone survived, a living witness to the fall of an age of chivalry. Geraint proved that love and honor could coexist, though few believed it possible. Bedivere, the last knight beside Arthur, fulfilled his king's dying wish, returning Excalibur to the Lady of the Lake, her hand rising from the mist to reclaim the Sword of Destiny. Tristan and Isolde's love was cursed by fate itself. Their passion defied kingdoms, and their deaths became eternal, a warning that even love can destroy what it seeks to protect. Sir Kay, Arthur's foster brother, fierce and flawed, stood loyal till the very end, defending Camelot even as it fell. And Mordred, Arthur's own son and traitor, delivered the final blow that ended a dream centuries in the making. When the smoke cleared, only whispers remained, of a king who would one day return, of a kingdom lost to time, and of knights whose honor was both their strength and their downfall. Do you believe the Round Table was just a legend, or a forgotten truth buried in time? Tell me what you think happened to Camelot. I have been your host, Myths and Legends.